Hello, in this video I will show you something quite useful, and that will be all method from Linq. Okay, so it's one of those extension methods that you can add or extend on your collections. And what this one does is actually quite simple, but it can save you a bit of time and quite a lot of space in your code perhaps. Basically it evaluates a statement or your parameters for each element in the collection. So each element in the list will be evaluated according to your parameters, and if even one of them will be false, okay, the whole result will be false. Now if all of them return true on your parameters, then the return value for all of them will be true. So it checks them all, and of course the alternative to that would be using a for loop or for each loop or some kind of a loop that would loop through that list. So let's take a look at the example. It's quite simple to use. I just have to kind of explain to you why it is useful and where can it be used. So right here we have first of all test model, quite a primitive thing. We have double val1 and double val2, okay, and then we have a list generated, so a simple list, a few values. As you can see, val1 in this case is always lower than val2, okay, val1 lower than val2, and this is what we are checking for. So to use all, you need to do numbers. You need to have system.linq, and then our list, extend it with all method, right? Extension method. We have all, and then a simple lambda expression like you would do in other areas of Linq, okay? And then we have our little statement. So val1 is lower than val2, and then what it will do for you, it will go through each and every element in that list and it will check, okay, it will check. If all of them match, then the result will be true. Now I can quickly run this and show you the result. Okay, so it goes through each and every one of them, and if all of them are true, then the result, one Boolean value, is true. Now we don't have to assign it to a Boolean result. You can simply put it in an if statement or something like that, but you can probably see that it does make sense to use this instead of a for loop, instead of a for each loop, if that's the only thing that you need to evaluate. It just makes sense. It will be a lot quicker. Now, if I were to fail, for example, let's say 15 right here, okay, 15 right here, val1 15, so that will be false, okay. Now the other ones are true, but if I run it, we will break, right here we break, and as you can see, the result is false. Now only one of them was false, but in the end, the whole result is false because we need all of them to be true, hence the name all. Now, if you like this video, do a like button, click, and subscribe to this channel for more great advice for business videos, for technology videos, for various tutorials and things like that. Also support this channel on Patreon, where you can find the source code as well.